In the previous video we showed you how to merge cells. But merging cells is like the rebellious teenager of the Excel world. It may look cool, but it causes nothing but problems. But don't worry, there's a way to get that cool merged cell look without all the hassle. It's called center across selection. Welcome to How to in 2 Minutes. If you are looking for short videos with advice in less than 2 minutes, you have come to the right place. So, let's say you have a group of cells that you want to make look like one big, bad to the bone merged cell. Let's start with unmerging cells, which make troubles when you want to sort and filter. Select merged cells and click on Merge and Center in the Alignment group. Click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Alignment group. Then, in the dialog box, open up the horizontal menu, and select Center Across Selection. Click OK, voila! Your cells will now look like they've been merged, but in reality, they're still separate cells, free to live their best lives without any problems. Just like a teenager who's just trying to fit in. Get ready to unleash your inner pro with sorting and filtering like a boss. Just repeat the same in all merged cells, and watch the magic unfold. No more trouble, only hassle-free cell merging. Pat yourself on the back, you've just upgraded your spreadsheet skills. But hold on a minute. Center across selection is only a horizontal guy, so if you want to merge cells vertically, you may still have to go the old-fashioned route. But don't worry, we'll be here to guide you through it. So go forth and format your data tables with confidence, and remember, with Excel the possibilities are endless. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.